Hey everyone! Hope you are all doing well. I'm back for another quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be making a beautiful wooden pallet sign that cost under $1 to make. Hope you enjoy the video, and here we go. To make the sign, you will need 4 7-inch wooden planks, and I got this from Dollar Tree and it came in a pack of 6. On my last video, I used 2 of the 6 to make a gorgeous wooden crate, so I had 4 left, which was perfect for this project. I'm going to add some color by applying Waverly antique wax with a sponge brush, and I just brushed that all over the plank. Now I love using this antique wax because it's inexpensive, it's very easy to work with, cleanup is a breeze, and most importantly to me, especially having little ones, it's non-toxic. I don't want the wax to sit too long on the wood, so after doing 1 or 2, I take a rag and wipe off and buff it down until I get my desired shade. And this is really my absolute favorite part, and it's quite satisfying, especially when those wood grains and patterns really show through. Next, you will need 4 craft sticks, and these are just under 6 inches. Now I trim the sticks down so that they will fit nicely and securely on the planks. The 2 shorter ones are about 4.5 inches and the taller ones are about 5 inches. Now I did cut off the rounded ends, but you really don't have to. It was just a preference. If you have longer sticks or dowels that will fit from top to bottom, then that would be even better. I space out the planks with my L-shaped ruler, a very handy tool that I got at Dollar Tree, and I really don't measure the distance, I just kind of eyeball it. Then I take 2 super jumbo craft sticks and then I place them on each side so that when I glue down the sticks, they will be evenly placed. Once I have my placement down, I grab glue and I start gluing. Now I'm using wood glue, but you can still use hot glue. That also works well. I love wood glue for the durability, and it also gives me a little wiggle room to make any adjustments. But this does dry fast as well. And just to make it even more secure, I take a smaller craft stick and I place that on top of where the 2 ends meet. And look at that, how lovely. I know Valentine's is over, but hey, we're still in February, so I'm gonna stick LOVE vertically on the right side of each plank. But really, you can put whatever is meaningful to you. Just add more planks if needed. Initially, I was going to add some eucalyptus on the left side, but you know, I ended up liking it just like that. This looks beautiful standing upright with a small jar of flowers or votive candle holder placed in front of it. However you prefer, it will look amazing. And that's it, we are all done. A very quick and simple, but absolutely beautiful decor piece. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye-bye.